At Ancestry, your privacy is a big deal. That's why we work hard to earn your trust every day, by being open and transparent about what we do, keeping our policies simple and clear, and by helping ensure you have control of your DNA and data. For starters, we try to make it easy for you to limit what you share online with other AncestryDNA members. You can choose not to display things like your real name or your family tree. And you can turn off DNA match visibility. When it comes to third parties, we only share personal information when necessary to provide our services, like with our labs, when you specifically consent, or if a court orders us to disclose it. As for your DNA data and sample, they're linked to your account only by an activation code, which adds an extra layer of privacy to the process of testing and handling your DNA. Of course, you can always choose to delete your DNA or destroy your sample. You can also close your account, which removes your data from our servers. If you participated in the Ancestry Human Diversity Project, your data is retained for scientific validation and peer review. If you simply want to download your DNA data, we give you a file you can keep, even if you later decide to stop using AncestryDNA and delete your account. We want your AncestryDNA experience to be secure, meaningful, and full of possibilities. Your DNA tells a story, one as unique as you are, and we look forward to helping you discover it.